Everyone, today I have something very exciting to share with you. But before that, my name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner. I'm crazy for learning English, and I have been learning English for the last 8 months. So that's why now I can speak English confidently and comfortably. So today I'm making this video at home. So that's why the background is not good, but it doesn't matter. The matter is I'm speaking in English and I'm trying to improve my language proficiency. So today in this video, I would like to tell you something about this book that I have bought for learning English. This book name is English Therapy by Saiful Sir, and I have bought this book 3 weeks earlier. And I was supposed to make a video about this book before my puja vacation, but unfortunately I went to Moimunshing for spending my puja vacation, so that's why I couldn't make any video about this book. But today I thought it will be better if I make a video about this book. But before this book I'm used to learn English by using this book. This is my SSC English grammar book, and I have learned so many grammatical things from this book. And this is a very special book for me, and I have learned some grammar items from this book. Then I realized I need a special books for learning English, so that I can learn English by in a structured way and in an organized way. So that's why this book was very important for me, and I have bought this book 3 weeks earlier, as I mentioned. And every day I'm trying to learn something new from this book. Like today I have learned 100 important words for spoken English, and every day I'm just trying to improve myself. I'm just trying to practice my English. Every day I try to make video, and all these things together helps me a lot to improve my English skills, and that I have been doing for a long time. So that's the thing. And I have already seen that so many people feel inspired by watching my videos, and this is something that motivates me a lot for making video for learning English. So that's why I am very hopeful I will learn so many things from this book, and I will share these things to my audience, to all my well wishers. So this is something that I'm looking for. And like in this book, the topics are written in a structured way, and Saiful sir is one of the best teachers in Bangladesh for spoken English. So I hope from his book I will learn so many things, and I will try to share all the things to you guys. Okay, so this is the thing. And if you want, you can also buy this book. I buy this book, and but I don't recommend you to buy this book. But if you want, you can buy this book. Like, you will find so many books in the market. You can find English, Smart English, or other books. You will find so many books in the market. So if you want, you can buy one for improve your spoken English, because this type of books will gives you a good idea about spoken English, what type of things you need at first, or what type of things you need more to improve your language skill. So that's why I would like to recommend you to buy a book and then try to learn every day. And it's very important to practice English every day. It's also very important to learn something new. Like, if you learn 5 new words in a day, that's your improvement. And if you can use 2 or 3 sentences among them, it's also a great achievement for you. Okay, so this is the thing. And I'm doing so many hard work for learning English, and I hope I will continue my journey, and I will try to inspire you for learning English. And when people tell me that I'm doing good, I'm doing good day by day, that's really helps motivate me a lot for making video for learning English. Okay, so this is the thing. And I'm very curious about this book, and I'm very curious to learn more and more from this book, like new vocabulary, like new spoken rules, or like new grammatical things that I need for update my spoken English. So I don't want to make it more longer. Always believe in yourself. Always try to practice English every day, and keep practicing, keep learning. I don't want to make it more longer. My younger brother Snigdo is helping me for recording this video. So at last, I would like to give a special thanks to him for helping me for making this video. So have a good night to all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.